Hi everyone, welcome back to Lights Camera Bake. My name is Emma, and if you're new here, this is a place where we make all things delicious. So if you like that, subscribe, give this video a like, and let's get right into the video, I guess. Shall we just get making? Yeah, let's do it. Today's recipe is a twist on a recipe that's already on my blog. So I've already made bakery style cookies. So these are giant, thick, chewy chocolate chip bakery style, massive, sort of a copycat on the Levain bakery cookies. This is the triple chocolate version, so buckle up. This one is gonna be good. You know I love my chocolate, so let's get started. So you're going to need cold cubed butter. So we want these in small cubes so it's easier to mix, and you need a stand mixer for this really, because to try and mix cold butter fully through sugar is quite hard to do, so you do need some sort of a mixer for this recipe. So we're going to take the cold cubed butter and mix that through the brown sugar. Now you want it creamed but not completely. You still want to see some lumps of butter, but you do want it semi-creamed so that the sugar is incorporated. To that you're going to add 2 eggs and then vanilla extract. So again, we mix this through, but there'll still be some lumps of butter, but we want it lovely and floppy. To that wet mixture, we're going to add the cocoa powder, flour, baking powder, and corn flour. And then to this, we're going to add a combination of white chocolate chips or buttons. I have some buttons here, so whatever you have, if you have chips, that's totally fine. Regular chocolate chips, so I used milk chocolate or semi-sweet. You can use dark chocolate if you prefer. And then I also added some chopped chocolate, so regular chocolate, because the regular chocolate melts more than chocolate chips do, so then you get these lovely puddles of melty chocolate throughout these cookies. Then we're going to line a baking sheet with baking paper, and here you just kind of roughly grab balls of cookie dough. Now you don't want to roll them in your hands and melt the butter in your hand. I bake these in a 180 degree or 350 degree Fahrenheit oven until they are lovely and thick and baked, so the outside is lovely and chewy, the middle is soft and slightly gooey but not really. Hope you give this recipe a go. If you do, let me know in the comments below, let me know on my blog, wherever you want to let me know, just let me know, because I love hearing from you and I love hearing that you've made my recipes and that you enjoy them. So yeah, let me know, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.